question.
What are you talking about?
Let me ask you a question. Look.
He's telling you to get off too. No, that's not him.
Bro, I need you to understand this don't help nothing though, bro.
It's not. You making yourself look crazy. So I'm allowed to just get said things said about me that ain't true, make people who hate me, who don't even know me, believe stuff when they can, at the end of the day, they might be a fan of me and people might fuck up what they think about me over a lie.
Damn, you gotta understand, bro. You gotta understand shit come with this lifestyle, bro. It ain't gonna be easy.
Yes, it do. I get it. There's gonna be haters.
But look though, why is you on live though, bro?
It's ridiculous.
But why
and
is
if you want to
on
sit and
live?
act like it's not, then I don't know what to tell you. But
It's not about that. It's about, bro, deal with that shit in private. Like, fuck all this live shit, bro. Fuck
no,
all
because
this
listen,
shit, bro.
I ain't even do nothing. I didn't even tell them Shade Room to post that shit. The magazine told them to post that shit, and I'm looking and I'm like, bro, these people is really going at, and I'm looking at other people.
You think if you yell at a screen that people gonna like? You think they're gonna be like, oh,
no,
okay, no,
but
she's
at
not
least
racist.
there's proof out there that what I said was not that, and that what I do is not for that reason.
But I need you to understand that it's a better way to get your point across.
It's so frustrating that the internet is so fucking sensitive to anything I do or anything anyone else does. But then the minute one of us come for them, oh, why are you talking about me? Oh, you don't even know me. Oh, you this, oh, you that. Like, what? How does that even make sense? And the one thing I'm really, really sick of is the whole Bhad Babies, the cultural appropriator. No, y'all make these words have their own, have different terms from what they even mean. Cultural appropriation is if I was to sit up and say, oh, a certain race looks ugly with that, and then I go do that on myself. Or say for braids example, if I said that black girls look ugly with braids, and then I go get them, that's cultural appropriating. Or when girls, when they put chopsticks in their hair, that's cultural appropriating.
You doing good. You straight, right?
Yes, but that don't mean that I don't have feelings and shit that people say. Don't be like,
look, let me just ask you a question. Hold on. Look, you straight, right? If you sit and get upset because you can't please the world, you ain't gonna never be able to enjoy life.
Please nobody.
You gotta take this shit for it is what it is.
No, you gotta